ग्लास ईटिंग रिचुअल क्या होता है इन स्पेशल पैरा फोर्सेस?
If you're having a drink, or you're having a drink, or if you're not also having a drink, so they basically crush the side of the glass with your teeth and you eat it. You keep on rubbing it, it becomes like soft and then you eat it. That is what it is done.